Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If you're looking to book your stay on Airbnb with a private bathroom, let me show you how you can specifically filter for such properties. The navigation is the same whether you do it from the computer or from the phone app. Once you have searched for your basic criteria, like where do you want to go and the dates and all those things, it will display the default results. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on this filters icon here on the top right. And the second option here is the type of place. You need to choose room because by default, it shows you any type that includes entire homes as well. And there is no point looking for a private bathroom in an entire home because the entire property is going to be yours. So once you've chosen the room type, then you need to scroll down, and under amenities you will see this option, private attached bathroom. And as soon as I click on this, you will see this count will change. Now it is showing me 160 rooms which have a private attached bathroom with them. Now you would have noted it is only showing the private attached bathroom, which is also called ensuite, but currently there is no way to look for just private bathroom, not necessarily attached. But this is the only way at the moment you can filter for private bathrooms when you're booking a room on Airbnb. Just click on show rooms and then the results it will display will all be with an attached bathroom to that space. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.